That's the word that we got from the NSE. As far as their hope is now, the SEBI nod comes through and we should soon have those extended trading hours for F&O contracts. Cash equities, as of now, is not looking likely, is what we got from the National Stock Exchange. But meanwhile, let's get perspective on what's on the table. And for that, Kamlesh Shah, past president of ANMI, the Association of National Exchanges Members of India, is joining us. Mr. Shah, good to have you with us. Yes, our regular trading hours, sir, are from 9:15 in the morning to 3:30 in the afternoon. Tell us now, how feasible do you think, how useful do you think an evening session would be for futures and options contracts between 6 and 9 p.m. like we just heard?
Yeah, thank you. I believe this is a good move by NSE. In last few years, a new class of investors have emerged and they've joined the platform. Many of them during the market hours are busy with their job or the profession or the business. So here they will get opportunity to trade in the evening time from 6 to 9. Secondly, this will also provide a good hedge opportunity for their position in the evening when the US market opens and the European market closes. This will also help FII, FPI and NRI investment, because this would be, preferred time for them also. So overall participation in the market will increase. And as it is, we have commodity market which is working up to 12 in the night. So extending equity derivatives in the evening could be a good move. And there, we will understand how the interest spans for the new class of investors. And this will definitely work in the favor of getting the...
Mr. Shah, you believe this is a net positive, but there is a belief among at least a portion of the trading community, sir, especially the smaller brokers who don't have fully automated systems, where they believe that extending these F&O trading hours would have perhaps no or at least minimal material benefits. They say the costs will go up, employees will be discontent with these longer working hours, there will be excessive speculation in derivatives, and they also point at the possibility that the volume additions that one may expect because of these extended hours may not be as phenomenal. What do you think?
With the technology that is available at present, I think extension of market hours would not cause any kind of serious challenges to the system or to the infrastructure. So we believe that all the brokers would be able to participate in the process. Here, I would like to request to the regulator and the exchange that if they permit to trade from the place of the choice, it could be better, because if the market hours in the second phase or the third phase is extended up to the midnight, it could be too long a day for a trader. So that may help, in a relaxed mode of trading in the market, as well as, to capture all the movements in the international market.
Shah, earlier this year in February, the NSE extended the timing of interest rate derivatives trade from ending it at 3:30 p.m. Now it's extended up to 5 p.m. But yes, that portion of the market, you see very thin trades. But it could be thought of as a phased move, the one that we are talking about. If it is this phased extension of trading hours in F&O trading, what products make most sense to you? Does it make sense to begin with Nifty and Bank Nifty futures and options and leave out stock derivatives for later? Do you think it's a good move, that would work out well?
Yeah, I think that should work out well because indices would be available. So this will serve the purpose of hedging, and gradually, depending upon the response of the investors and the participant, we can add product. Adding product is not an issue if this is preferred mode of working and people get benefit out of the extended market hours.
Would an evening session bring in more participation actually from office goers? There are several people who don't have the time to trade during a working day. think that there could be more participation because of this?
Yes, sir. Because if you've seen in last 4 years, the investor base has gone up from 4 crore to around 13 to 14 crore. And, the base is growing, and we have some new age investors participating in the market. So this will benefit one and all. Plus, it will also help to, you know, tackle the bigger issue of volatility in the market when the overseas market opens, like US market, when it opens, there could be fluctuation. So this will be the only way they could hedge their position or square up the position, as per their risk appetite.
Does this benefit the most in your understanding, Mr. Shah, with this kind of extension given the NSE? Do you think it's going to help them take on the competition that much more from rivals like Gift City, where trading happens round the clock?
Gift City is a different ball game altogether, because there the international players would participate, whereas in India, for retail investor and domestic investor, there was no other platform available. So it was difficult for them to hedge their position or to participate in the market. Now, with the extended market hours, that becomes a possibility, and with the technology that is available, I think we can seamlessly serve our client base in the evening time, especially for indices, futures, and options.
Other advantages for the NSE, perhaps bigger volumes, because that is still in question. Will there be higher accruals from transaction fees as well for the NSE, you think?
It would be win-win situation for everyone. If they get higher revenue, they may reduce the transaction charges. So it will definitely benefit the retail investors. And as I mentioned to you, for domestic investors, there is no other way to hedge their position or to cover the risk of the overnight fluctuation. So this could be, a better experience for all the market participants.
I've been pointing at the, these gap up and gap down kind of openings that we have, because US markets, they take place after our closing hours, and the kind of action that we see over there plays out only the following day in our markets. So if we had these extended sessions, perhaps those gap up and gap down openings at management would be a little bit better. We'll see exactly how that goes. Mr. Shah, many thanks for joining us with your perspective on this edition of India Tonight. Good having you with us.
Thank you very much.
Meanwhile, in the